In this question, we are asked how many grams of a substance we need to make up a certain volume and molarity of a solution. So we are asked for the number of grams that we need. So we write that down, grams, that is the unit that we want. Now, do we have grams anywhere? Yes, we've got grams here. So we have 347.45 gram per mole. And we have written it so that the grams are in the right position. So we have got grams here. We just have to get rid of the mole here. Now we would like to multiply this term so that the moles cancel out. Do we have moles anywhere? Yes, we have moles here, but we have it in millimoles, so we have to convert that, and we need to know that that millimolar actually stands for 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter. So with this knowledge, what we can do is we can write 187.73 times 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter. And what we see is that the mole cancel out. Now we just have to deal with the liter, and we have to multiply it so that the liters cancel out. Do we have liters anywhere? Yes, we have this here. And now we can write it as 147.55 times 10 to the minus 3. That's here our milliliter. And what we see is that the liters cancel out. So all we have left is our unit gram, which is exactly what we want. So we can stop and we can write this in a slightly nicer way. We can write it as 347.45 grams times 187.73 times 10 to the minus 3 times 147.55 times 10 to the minus 3, and we can just simply put that into a calculator, and we get 9.62 gram. Here's another practice question. So we do exactly the same thing. So we are asked how many grams do you need? So we write down grams as the unit that we are looking for. Have we got grams anywhere? Yes, we've got grams here. So we write it as 320.66 gram per mole. Do we have the grams are in the right position, so that's good, but we now have to get rid of the moles, so we have to multiply it so that the moles cancel out. Do we have moles anywhere? Yes, we do. We have that here in the millimolar, and we know that millimolar stands for 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter, so we can just simply write it as 121.86 times 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter. Now the mole cancel out, that's good. And now we have to find and write it in such a way that we get rid of the liter here. Do we have liter? Yes, we've got liter here. So we write it as 182.39. We have milliliters, so that's times 10 to the minus 3 liter. Now we see that the liters cancel out, and all we have left is the gram here. That's what we want, so we don't have to do anything else now. We can stop. We just beautify it a little bit. We write 320.66 grams times 121.86 times 10 to the minus 3 times 182.39 times 10 to the minus 3. And if we put this in the calculator, we get 7.13 gram as our answer.